Hi guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be making a whole wheat and honey Irish soda bread. I got the recipe from laurenthekitchen.com. Tell you guys, I use her all the time. I felt like making a quick bread. This was one that looked amazing and wanted to give it a shot. I will link the direct link down below for the website. And if you guys are curious to see how this turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing. For this bread recipe, I got going with all-purpose flour and whole wheat flour, and then some butter, and then mixed that briefly together. Added raisins, baking powder, baking soda, and salt, and 2 eggs to some buttermilk, and then added in some honey, and then I sprayed my honey with some nonstick spray so it would come out super easy. And then just mix that together. I made a mess, so I had to clean up. And then I added my wet to my dry ingredients and mixed that together. This was a super sticky dough, so I put flour down and kneaded it together for a little bit, just until it kind of got to where it wasn't so sticky that it was like giving me dough gloves when I picked it up. And then I put it in a cast iron pan, and then I tented it with some foil after I cut some X's into the top to help it bake even. And then I baked it for the first little bit with the foil on, took the foil off, and then I finished baking it. Hi guys, so this is what it looks like when it's all done baking. I cannot even think of a way to describe how incredibly delicious this smelled the whole time it was baking. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out with my daughter Remington. She's kind of a carbaholic here, so I have a feeling she's gonna love it, but we will let you know if it's love at first bite. Okay, ready? Okay, you guys stay right there. Yeah, don't move, stay there. Do you want some? Okay, spit your binky out. All right. You want some butter? What do you think, Remy? Is it yummy? It's very wheaty, like obviously, which I don't know why. I just wasn't expecting it to be so like harsh. Yeah, it's got like a really strong whole wheat flavor with like a slight sweetness, and then the golden raisins in here are just kind of like a pop of sweetness. I would describe this as more of a savory bread rather than a sweet bread. Like, I don't know, I guess I was expecting like raisin bread. I love how easy this was to throw together. It's not the best bread I've ever had in the world, but it's still pretty dang good. I would rate this probably like, I would say a 7 out of 10. I mean, definitely really high up there because of ease. I guess I was just expecting this to be a little bit more sweet, but I'd never had a soda bread before. So I guess if you are curious about these and you want to know, these are not sweet breads. Even if they have sweet ingredients, they will still be a heavier bread. For what it is, it's pretty light and airy. It's got a nice crunch on it, but it is not like raisin bread. It is not like banana bread. It is kind of like regular Dutch oven bread or anything else like that. It might just have slight sweet elements to it. But yeah, that's it. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. And say bye-bye. Go bye-bye. All right, you ready, Chubby Girl? You wanna come here? Come here. Do you want your binky back in? And Remy, why'd you spit that out? That's gross.